Your dad got. Oh, I just got hit. Got him! Shit. You're all come up there, but. This way, this way. And he's got a jig in his mouth. Right when I hit go, can record. Is it on? Are you kidding me? That's awesome, dude. Oh, yeah, he hit it once and missed it, but then he hit it again. Snapped him. I was like, yeah, I got to work on my fucking chest angle because all I got is arm and hands and feet. No fucking rod, no water, no fish. No, I mean, the one I lost, you could see it. It was like probably like right here. Oh, I lost him, dude. That was a good fish too. Wonder if I could see that 10 or something, and they're all like 20 inches. Nice. Thing up there, all here. Oh, that's nice. Big fish too. Big fish. That's a nice one there. Get in the bag? I don't know. Here. Oh god, that's nice. Nice job. 43. Nice fucking fish. Oh, that's a nice one, bud. She's swimming off good. Oh, I know. I want to try Sturgeon Bay. I was talking to Jeff, and he said he used to. He said, that one. It's decent. Right here, ready? Oh, god damn it. Pike. That's a nice pike though. That's I bet that's like 40, 41. That's a big pike. Pike, of course. Whatever. I'll take that. I'll take them. You're goddamn right. Another diesel pike from the Mogul. Oh yeah. That might be bigger than that. Might be bigger than that. 41. I bet that's like 40, 41. Yes. Kneel down back there like I was. You can. She going. She going. Yeah. There's a. Oh, gone. Is he? Yeah. Or was it? I couldn't fucking tell. I think it was a ski. It had to have been. Dirty. I thought, yeah, you had him, didn't you? Oh yeah, I had him. You had to follow. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, he was hot on it. You see that fucker? Like your bait was here and that fucker went. Like he must have been way behind. Oh my. Go behind the boat. He went behind. God. guy. Not paying attention.
Oh, I'm looking.
There's this huge wake behind.
Oh, I see the flash.
Oh. I don't know where he came from.
He must have been hunkered way up in there or something.
Your
Or
bait was out of the water by the time he... Oh, the demon is right. That fucking cut is on this side. If he's full on there right now, he's still over there.
oh, right there's one.
There you go. Told you they're up here. Now you just gotta stick them on.
Shoot, get out of here.
Because now by the time it's so hot out, they probably bite better. I thought about doing it in the canoe, but that's just greasy.
It'd probably be calm.
Huh?
Be calm out at least.
Oh.
Launch right at that little campsite over there. Till you hook into a fucking monster and it's pulling you around.
Fighting this thing for 2 hours.
Go. Ain't bad. It's a little guy.
Huh?
It's a little guy.
Picking up the net or...
Alright.
Our pike.
Are you f***ing me with these pike?
Doing the goddamn pike. Nice one though. Okay. Good release.
That was not what I wanted.
We ate this down on the fan.
Yeah, not this great fish.
They're built good though. I mean, they're thick fish.
Not a bad one.
Yeah. You know, throw them back or...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What a beast.
What a beast. It's a northern. They're strong. They're strong. There he goes. Like, he might just give it to me, to be honest. And then if Cody ever asks for it, you just have to get it back. But odds of that happening are pretty f***ing rare at this point.
Right?
Got one!
Yeah.
It's decent. It's real decent. Holy. Oh! Yes. Oh, I lost the bucktail!
Who cares? You got the fish.
It ain't even that decent.
It ain't.
I was fighting like a b****, though.
Yeah. Yes. Thought I was gonna be.
Yep,
there.
straight in my. Oh!
Yes.
Oh, I lost the bucktail! 36 and a half. Thought I was gonna have to adjust my drag for once in my life.
There he goes. Attaboy. Yeah, man.
50. There. No, that's a ski. Right in front. It's gotta be. See him up there? Up to the right? Come on, hit it.
Oh. I thought he was gonna hit it for a second.